Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Spoken English for You. Learn English speaking with Aparna Bedi Tiwari. It's day 2 today, and today we will learn how to make a sentence. What is a sentence? A sentence is a basic unit of written communication. A sentence must have three elements: a subject, a predicate, and a complete thought. To edit your writing effectively, you must have a basic understanding of what a sentence is and is not. To tell you more, sentences have two parts: subject and predicate. The subject is the who or what the sentence is about. The predicate tells about what the subject does. The big green frog jumped across the log. The big green frog is the subject in the sentence. Jumped across the log is the predicate in the sentence. My sweet grandmother wore a blue dress. My sweet grandmother is the subject in the sentence. Wore a blue dress is the predicate in the sentence. Students, each sentence has a subject and a predicate. In this sentence, in the first sentence, Mohan eats mangoes. Mohan is subject and eats mango is predicate. In the predicate part, we have a verb and an object. Verb is eats and object is mango. What does Mohan eat? Mohan eats mango. So eats is a verb, an action that Mohan does in this sentence. Father bought a book. Father is the subject, a book is the object, and bought is the verb. The frog jumped over the dog. The frog is the subject, dog is the object, jumped over the dog is the predicate, and jumped is the action word, the action done by the frog. So students, I hope you have understood that the subject tells who or what the sentence is about, and the predicate tells what the subject does or is. Mr. Parks is our principal. Mr. Parks is subject, is our principal is the predicate. Max and Ben are in third grade. The subject here is Max and Ben. Are in third grade is the predicate part of the sentence. So students, hope you have understood the topic. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.